Okay, alright guys, welcome to today's class. So what we're doing is physics. So our topic today is scalar quantities, and this is our free class. So I'm also inviting you to the paid class, which is starting by December 2nd. It involves video tutorials that are even more solid than this and corrosive than this. They are topic based. It's not that I'm just choosing a topic. We are going to be following JAMB syllabus thoroughly. So in the class, and this is a payment plan. You can choose any payment plan that suits you. So that's just it. So let's dive into today's work. So our topic today is scalar and vector quantities. Now, what is this meaning of scalar quantities? So scalar quantities, so they are the quantities that have magnitude but no direction. So these are what scalar quantity. But when we have vector quantities, so they are quantities that have both magnitude and direction. So these are what vector quantity. Now scalar quantity is just like, maybe I gave you 30 meter, I gave you a length, and the length is what 30 meter. I didn't tell you the direction, so this is just a magnitude. But if I say 30 meter, and now say 20 degree east, it has become what? It has magnitude. This is the magnitude, and this is the direction. So these have become vector quantity. But this is a what? Scalar. So that's what we call. So it means now you need to know that distance is a scalar quantity. So if you are writing distance, this is like it. Why displacement is a vector quantity. So when you are writing displacement, this is how it should be. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So that's just it. So scalar quantity, they have just magnitude. If you look at this, it just have just 30 meter. They don't tell us if it is towards the east or towards the west or towards the north or towards the south. But here they tell us even the angle and the way it is going. I hope you understand. So that's what we call scalar and vector quantities. So they are the quantities. Scalar quantities are the quantities that have magnitude but no direction. Vector quantities are quantities that have both magnitude and direction. So let's go to the examples of scalar and vector quantities. This example is very simple. It's very simple, yes. But please try to know all the examples under each thing, because when you start doing questions now, you'll be surprised that it is very important. Now for scalar quantity, you need to know that mass is a scalar quantity, speed is a scalar quantity, distance is a scalar quantity, electric potential is a scalar quantity, electric current, heat capacity, altitude, electric potential difference, power, energy, even kinetic energy, potential energy, work, pressure, temperature, density, area, volume, all those things. They are frequency, number of modes, and entropy. All of them, they are what? Scalar quantity. Now we come to vector quantity. We have the weight, we have the force, we have the reaction, we have the velocity, we have the displacement, we have the acceleration, we have the impulse, we have the momentum. Please take note of all these examples. Thrust, torque, magnetic induction, electric field, temperature gradient, position, and magnetic flux density. So please, all these things, they are measured, they are vector quantities, right? So it means they have both magnitude and direction. So please make sure you study. I repeat, this thing you need to study it very well, because you can see how much we wrote. So all these things, you may not ask you questions. So let us start question on it. So number one, they say which of the following is not a vector quantity? You know that force is a vector quantity, weight is a vector quantity, displacement is a vector quantity, acceleration is a vector quantity. If you are confused, you can go back to your diagram and you see all these things there. So the only one that is not a vector quantity is what? Altitude. Altitude is a scalar quantity. Look at it. This is altitude. That's why I say you should study this diagram. Number 2, which of the following physical properties is not a vector quantity? Yes. Which one is not a vector quantity? Velocity is a vector quantity. Force is a vector quantity. Acceleration due to gravity is the same thing as acceleration. So the only one that is not the answer is what? Work. Work is a scalar quantity. You can see now that the diagram work. We are talking on work and we're still saying diagram work. So number 3, which of the following quantities are scalar? That is, which of the following are scalar? We know that electric potential is scalar. Kinetic energy, any energy is scalar. So electric potential and kinetic energy. So our answer will be I don't think I write all these options. I didn't write everything. It remains I and 4 only. So sorry for that mistake. So the answer here is I and 4 only. So which of the following are quantities are scalar? So it's electric potential and what? Kinetic energy. Look at it. Energy is the same thing as energy. When I was in energy, I said energy can be potential energy, can be any energy is a scalar quantity. Look at it. Energy. Can you see? Can you see now? So that's just the reason why. And also electric potential. Can you see? Because this thing is not hard. So option D is the answer. So let's go to the next question. Which of the following is a set of vectors? That is the ones that are vector quantities only. Force, mass. Mass is a scalar quantity. So option A is cancelled. Option B, acceleration, velocity and moment. Let's take the rest. Option C, mass has already destroyed. So our answer is option B, because velocity is a vector quantity, acceleration is a vector quantity, moment is a vector quantity. So add it with there that we have moment also as a vector quantity. So which of the following consists entirely of vector quantities? Look at it. Velocity, magnetic flux. Magnetic flux that will remain there is magnetic flux density. So option A, velocity, magnetic flux density and reaction. Option B, tension, magnetic flux. Mass has destroyed. Displacement, impulse, power is a scalar. Option D, work, pressure and moment. Work has destroyed and pressure. So our answer is what? Option A. It was velocity, magnetic flux density and reaction. Look at the diagram again. So you will notice that reaction is a vector quantity. Number 6, a quantity which requires so you can see that they can ask question in another dimension. Look at what they asked again. They say a quantity which requires magnitude and direction. So you can see that this one is, they are telling you stylishly that which one is a vector quantity. So a quantity which requires magnitude and direction to be specified is A, distance, B, displacement, C, mass, E, temperature. What they are asking us here is which one is a vector quantity. They are just using a trick to like trick us. So if you look at option A, distance is a scalar quantity, mass is a scalar quantity, temperature is a scalar quantity. The answer is displacement. Let's go to number 7. So they say which of the following quantities listed above are vectors? A, the I is electric potential, that's a scalar quantity. Torque, that's a vector quantity. Kinetic energy, that's a scalar quantity. Momentum, that's a vector quantity. So the answer is 2 and 4. So it's what? 2 and 4. So our answer is option D. They said the pair of physical property quantities that are scalar only, that is the ones that are only scalar quantity. Option B, moment and momentum, both of them are vector. Option C, length and displacement, both of in length is scalar, displacement is vector. So it's not correct. Option D, impulse and time. Yes, so that's wrong also, because impulse is vector. Option A, volume and area, both of them are scalar quantities. So our answer is what? Option A. So this is just where we are going to draw the curtain for tonight's class. And also I want to invite you for our jam tutorial, which is even is value packed even more than this that we are doing. I hope you understand. So you can join the class. The class is holding for 3 hours per day, 9 p.m. and also we'll be having live class. I'm going to be having live class some weeks. That is, there are weeks we are going to be setting aside for live class and also mock tests to test your level of preparation. Then we are going to be having academic seminar. Then on Sunday it will be revision of students, where which they read everything they have learned so far. So that's just it. So I want to see you in the class. You too can join with just 30,000 naira. So that's that for tonight. Thank you for watching tonight's video. You can refer your friends that I want to join the paid class or the free class. You can refer them to me or refer me to them. Thank you for watching tonight's video. I really appreciate. Thank you very much. God bless you.